Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix OBS black screen in Roblox Windows Capture. Now, this will be a basic step-by-step guide, but you can also do it if at all you're using OBS. Alright, so step number one says delete the current game capture source. Now, point to note is that the current game capture source might be corrupted, so go ahead and delete it. So once you're done deleting it, guys, then go to step number two. It says click on the icon of the source boxes and then choose Windows Capture. After that, select Active Roblox application window, then set a capture method to Windows 10 on Newer. After that, guys, go ahead and run OBS as administrator. Now, for those who don't have OBS, come to Microsoft App Store, then search for OBS Studio. You can see, guys, it's one of the popular studios that you can use for streaming, even if you're streaming video games, or if you want to stream other content, you can use it. So basically, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.